For anyone who's new to the vlog, welcome. So I am building a brand. My brother and I have been building a clothing brand. So I wanted to just go over what we're dropping in a couple weeks. And yeah, I hope you like it. So basically I'm wearing the first one right now. This is our long sleeve black knit waffle tee. This is a heavyweight. I can get the exact weight. Maybe I could put it right here. Probably might be my favorite shirt that we're dropping. Kind of like when we were designing this, we really wanted to have it be like a cape. Like I wanted to have it so flowy in the back. Put the low-key logo on the back, and all around, amazing shirt. I wear this everywhere. I wore this to the gym, kind of like a pump cover. What's cool about this is like, it's amazing right now for the winter, but you know, even like those summer nights, like having something like this, it's gonna be so nice. So I'm stoked. Quick intermission. Sorry, I am a cat daddy now. Check out these boys. Boys. This is the first hat. This is a iteration based on our original hat that we had created. A lot of good feedback on this hat, except we just made this one a lot better. So we got the wear anywhere on the side, custom key on the right side, custom flag label on the adjustable. I don't know if you could see this, but we added webbing on the inside. I'm so happy with how this came out. Yeah, this hat is incredible. And then this one is brand new. So this is our second hat. So this is a low-key cowboy hat. This has been a long time in the making. Really wanted to have like that dark green contrast with the cream on this hat. My brother and I are really into tennis, and those colors kind of just inspired this type of hat. It's just so clean. I don't know, even if you don't like tennis, like it's a nice, proper, clean color. It's just an amazing colorway. So yeah, so we got the cowboy on the side, got the key on the side, and then same thing with this one. So we added a custom webbing on the inside with our logo. If I can get it to focus, thank you. I really had to push for making these slightly smaller because I personally have a smaller head. Kevin, my brother, has a bigger head. So we kind of had to find somewhere in the middle, but I really pushed for them to be in a good in the middle size. So it'll fit girls too. It's a unisex hat. Like, I don't know. It's a very high quality hat. I'm really pumped about these. We spend way too much time going back and forth with our manufacturer with this hat in particular, but you know, you put in the work and then it pays off in the end. So that's the hat. I actually cut off one of our shirts. Let me show you. I actually cut this one off myself, but this is our low-key revolver shirt. This is charcoal. So yeah, you're gonna have the option if you want just like a regular t-shirt, or if you want to cut off, we can offer both. Yeah, stoked on how this came out. Big fan, big fan. All right, and then we have this in cream as well, so I'll show you the other colorway. Okay, let me know what you think about this, but I really want to call this t-shirt Vanilla Pistols, because it's a cream color shirt. I don't know, it's pretty sick. Big fan. Oh, Lewis crashing the party. Dude, the cats love the backdrop. It's so funny. It's like their personal fort. This is a size medium. By the way, I'm 5'9". If you're gonna get the waffle, I would definitely go size up if you want that oversized look. I'm gonna just put the hat on for this one. So this is the Vanilla Pistols cream colorway. Gosh, I really hope I'm in focus. So yeah, that's pretty much everything we're dropping in the next couple of weeks. We do have one other product that's coming. That'll be a surprise. But if you are interested in anything that I showed you, we do have a pre-sale sign up. So I'm gonna put that in the description. So if you wanna be the first to know when we drop, we're basically gonna be emailing you a code that gives you access to the website on the day that we actually drop our clothes. So yeah, if you're interested in that, I'll link it in the description.